Good evening and welcome to Purposefully Passionate About Property, coming to you live from Choprop Studios, Centurion, your trusted source for everything real estate, both local and international. I'm Aidan, your property practitioner, and here are your top stories making headlines in real estate today.
South Africa real estate headlines: interest rate tailwinds and housing shortage. High yield CRE via rates and logistic assets. US residential boom from foreign buyers. Europe commercial real estate woes and select niches. Interest rate tailwinds and housing shortage. Prime lending rates have fallen to 10.75% after 4 consecutive cuts since September 2024, thus boosting affordability and sparking optimism among buyers. With a national housing deficit of roughly 2.3 million units, affordable and mid-income residential projects remain among the most compelling investment opportunities in 2025. High yield CRE via rates and logistic assets. SA rates are poised to deliver between 8 and 9% income returns in 2025, supported by robust demand in retail, industrial, and logistics segments. Investors are also targeting well-located logistics and industrial developments, driven by e-commerce expansion and urbanization trends. US residential boom from foreign buyers. From April 2024 to March 2025, international investors spent a record $56 billion on homes, a 33 year-on-year surge with 44% more transactions. Florida led with roughly 21% of all purchases, often paid in cash, highlighting strong global appetite for US residential property. Europe commercial real estate woes and select niches. While Europe's commercial property market remains sluggish, Q1 in 2025 volumes dropped steeply. Select niches like logistics, rental housing, and hotels in major cities are attracting interest from opportunistic investors like Brookfield and Brookfield-like restructurings.
And now it's time for one of our favorite segments, house tours. We'll be shining a spotlight on some of the most captivating properties on the market, guided by our top-tier professionals.
Hello everyone, Nadia here from Choprop. I'm here today in Elder Glen's address of distinction. If ever there was a prime location in Elder Glen, this O-Class is it. And what's more, it is a developer's dream. Build up to 8 homes here. Have your own complex or your own family estate. So why not call me 079 77 99 222 for more info. 900 squares under roof of a very lodge-like kind of home, set on over 10,600 square meters of lush landscape. The trees on this property are 100 years or more. We had a functional borehole, a tennis court, swimming pool, parking, storerooms. So much to see in this awesome architectural wonder in Elder Glen Estate.
Hi guys, it's Siva Pakri from Choprop International, your property practitioner at your service. Guys, I've got an amazing property for you. Beautiful, stunning and newly refurbished property. It's got a spacious kitchen, lounge, dining, but let me not say more. Come have a look. Hey guys, have you enjoyed that video? If you have, this property is going for sale. Please give me a call on 082 492 0583 or DM me now.
Hi, my name is Mansuk Chiba and I'm a property practitioner here at Choprop Sales and Letting based in Centurion. We sell property anywhere in Centurion, Pretoria, or indeed Gauteng or South Africa, and very often in other parts of the world as well. This is a beautiful double-story house that you see in front of me. It is a 4-bedroom house with 2 bedrooms that are en suite. It is an open plan kitchen with a dining room as well as an entertainment area that flows into a family swimming pool. Upstairs there are 3 bedrooms, and as I said, downstairs is a 1 bedroom which is also en suite. So in total, out of the 4 bedrooms, 2 are en suite. If you want more information, please do not hesitate to contact me.
How's it guys? One number Dizera here. I'd like to welcome you to the Emerald Residence. I'd like to introduce one of the best collaborations that we have with Mr. Nkuluwa here. He's going to take it through. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Ngurulego Mpambu here from Natural Property. Again, as Wanda says, welcome to the Emerald. I hope you guys enjoy this tour you'll have. And of course, we hope you do buy as well.
Hi, my name is Misa. Welcome to the Emerald in Hyde Park. Hope you guys enjoy the tour. Welcome to the Emerald. I just want to tell you why this is a great investment for the investment portfolio. This place has paddle court, it has an in-house restaurant, it has a swimming pool, and just a great place and a fun place for families to enjoy. Walk through and see for yourself.
So I'm going to show you right now one of the best positioned 2-bedroom, 2-baths at the Emerald, overlooking Hyde Park and surrounding areas. Specifically, the greenery is what I want you to see. So please take a look. This is what I was talking about. Take a look.
guys, you saw the previous 2-bedroom. Now let me show you another 2-bedroom. This one is completely different. It's got different furnishings. The layout is different, but have a look. Let me show you. Come through.
Look, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Look, if you have, please come through. We can't wait to have you. And yeah, looking forward to it. Awesome. And guys, tick tock, tick tock. Those units are running out if you don't call us. Call us.
So that's all from us here tonight at Choprop Studios. Whether you're buying, selling, or just dreaming, we're here to fuel your passion for property. Join us next week for another exciting episode where we uncover more investment insights, stunning homes, and the faces behind the properties moving South Africa. Until then, stay inspired and remember, we are purposefully passionate about property. Good night.